everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use Samsung Wallet to pay. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to use Samsung Wallet to pay, what you need to do is first set up the Samsung Wallet and cards. Make sure you have added your credit cards to the Samsung Wallet and set up your preferred security method from PIN, fingerprint or iris scan. Then next is to make a payment in store by using the NFC, which is the contactless payment. All you gotta do is wake up your phone and swipe up from the button or open Samsung Wallet app. Then select the card you want to pay with if it's not default. Then authenticate with the PIN, fingerprint or iris and hold the top back of your phone near the contactless payment terminal and wait for the confirmation. Then you can also make a payment in-app or online when checking out in the supported app or websites. Simply select Samsung Pay or Samsung Wallet as your payment method, then authenticate with your security method and confirm the payment. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.